Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got LENOVO Tab M9 and let me share with you how to set and how to customize the eye comfort mode on this device. So let's start with the fastest access to this option, and after that I'll show you how to customize it. So let's unroll the top bar, unroll it fully so you can see all of those icons, and basically all we have to do is to find the eye protection mode option and tap on it. And as you can see, the screen turns yellowish or even amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then this mode will help you for sure. You can turn it off the same way, and if you want to have access to the options thanks to which you can customize it, simply tap on this option, hold it, and your device should transfer you to proper options. But let me show you a full path of how to get there through the settings, because if for some reason this option won't work, then you will be able to enter the options. So let's enter the settings. As I said, here in the general settings we have to find the display. Let's tap on it, and here let's scroll to find the eye protection mode. And as you can see, here we've got two different options which we can customize. So first of all, turn on the eye protection mode, and here by this switcher you can change the intensity by going to the left cooler, by going to the right warmer, up to you of course which option you prefer. You can also schedule that feature. None option means that you will have to manually turn it on and off. You can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and basically your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is, I believe, location based, and you can turn it on at custom time, so simply pick the start and the end time, and your device will turn on and off this option accordingly to your choice. It's up to you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.